Welcome to Jove. Let's take a look at how you can import a common cartridge file into Blackboard Ultra. Open the Jove website. Sign in to your account. Click on your profile icon and select My Playlists. Search for your playlist of interest and click to open it. Click on the Download CC button. This will download the common cartridge file on your computer. Log into Blackboard. Select courses from the navigation menu on the left. Choose your Blackboard Ultra course. Click on the plus button under Course Content. Choose Create from the drop-down menu. Click on SCORM Package. Click on Browse Content Collection button. Select Upload Files under the Upload tab. Click on Browse Local Files. Select the previously downloaded file. Click on Submit. Select the common cartridge file. Click on Submit. Uncheck Grade SCORM. Click on the Save button. That's it. Thank you for watching.